I thank all of you for being present on this occasion of the inauguration of our Kamla Puri Colony branch, Banjara Hills. This is the 1372nd branch of the bank in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The remaining 3 months of the financial year, we will be opening another 48 branches across the state. And one of the most interesting facts that I'd like to bring to your notice is that of this 1372 branches that we have, close to 900 branches are in the rural and semi-urban areas, which means we are the bank, which is State Bank of India is the bank, which is covering the maximum extent of unbanked areas within the state. If you leave aside the regional rural banks, among the commercial banks, we have the maximum reach in the unbanked areas, which shows our commitment to financial inclusion, to bringing a greater section of the population within the ambit of the banking transactions. But that has also helped us grow our business. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, we have a total business of close to 1,30,000 crores. We have deposits of almost 67,000 crores and our credit portfolio, which is about 63,000 crores. That is just our national banking group. If we add our specialized outfits like the mid-corporate group and the corporate accounts group, the credit deposit ratio for us within the state of Andhra Pradesh is close to 130%, which means we lend more within Andhra Pradesh than we collect as deposits from Andhra Pradesh. So, State Bank of India is a vital cog in the economic growth, the growth engine of the state of Andhra Pradesh, and we will continue to focus, expand our reach within the state, and we are sure that with the business opportunities available and the entrepreneurial talent of the people of Andhra Pradesh, we will be growing at the same pace in the ensuing loans. We have about 24,000 crores is our portfolio in agricultural advances. Kisan credit cards, the KCCs, self-help groups. We have a very large portfolio. Probably, if those of you who would have attended the latest state-level bankers committee meeting would have noticed, if you gone to the statistics, you will find that in agriculture, in the self-help groups, in each area, State Bank of India is substantially ahead of other banks. Though another bank is the lead bank for the state of Andhra Pradesh, in terms of agriculture, SME, exposures to these sectors, State Bank of India is way ahead of other. This branch itself, I mean, I'm sorry I didn't add that. See, we have of course, ATM is now, everybody has got an ATM card. Internet banking is also very common. Now we are rapidly putting up large numbers of cash deposit machines across the state. Both within so far we have put about 200. We would be reaching a target of about 365 within the next 6 months or so. In AP alone. In fact, some of these cash deposit machines have a large number of transactions that happen. Some of them have reached almost 200 transactions a day because people are getting more and more familiar with this cash deposit. You would have noticed the ATM room here, the next adjacent to the branch, which is a fairly large room. Now there we'll be eventually having a CDM, we'll be having a internet banking kiosk. All these facilities will be available within that. That will become something like an e-lobby or an e-corner for the bank, where even without coming in 24/7, it depends upon where we have space available, we'll be putting up e-lobbies. It could be 24/7 access like what we'll be having here in the Kamlapuri colony, but in some places it could be within the branch. It depends upon the space that we have available, we'll be putting up. Security wise, wherever we have, at the on-site ATMs, by and large, we normally do have a security guard at the branch. The on-site is normally at the branch. Wherever we have our own off-site ATMs, we are putting 24/7. We have engaged caretakers. Now there are some off-site ATMs which you will find without caretakers. That because we also have something called a brown label model, where the ATM is installed where the site and the ATM is installed by a third party, and where only our cards are being used and our brand is being used. So those ATMs do not belong to us. So in such ATMs, the outsourcing agency have not a security guard, but we are in talks with them. Eventually, I presume that we would be doing that also.